The admit card can be downloaded from the website neet.nata.nic.in. The admit card will never be sent directly to your email or mobile. Application number and password are required to download the admit card. The admit card can be printed in color or black and white. The admit card will have 3 pages, of which the first 2 pages need to be taken to the exam hall. Ensure that the admit card contains all details such as photo, signature, etc. Reach the exam center as early as possible. No entry will be allowed after 1:30 p.m. Considering possible traffic blocks around the exam centers, plan and leave home early. The self declaration on the hall ticket, including pasting the candidate's photo and fingerprint, should be completed at home. The signature in the third column must be done at the exam center in the presence of the invigilator. A postcard size photo of the candidate must be pasted on the second page. This photo should be the same as the one submitted during the application. Carry the admit card and Aadhaar card to the exam center. If carrying any other ID proof, keep the Aadhaar card handy as well. Ensure no metal objects are present on your body or clothes. Avoid shoes that fully cover the feet, use simple sandals instead. No separate sheet will be provided for rough work in the exam hall. Washroom usage during the exam is restricted, so use the washroom facilities before entering the exam hall. The question paper can be taken home after the exam. Ensure the OMR sheet is fully handed over to the invigilator. Wear simple clothing to the exam hall. Avoid complicated clothes with excessive pleats or prints. Completely avoid electronic items in the exam hall. There may not be facilities to store bags outside the exam hall, so bring only essential items. Watches are not permitted in the exam hall. It's advisable to carry multiple identity documents as ID proof. You can bring drinking water in a transparent water bottle to the exam hall. Avoid dresses with heavy embroidery work. Avoid full sleeve dresses. Avoid clothes with metal buttons or zippers. Regular eyeglasses can be used in the exam hall. Avoid clothing that fully covers the neck or head. Those wearing religious attire must reach the exam center 2 hours early to obtain permission. Avoid graphics or printed letters on t-shirts as much as possible. Ensure sandals do not have metal components. Avoid jackets. Avoid belts. Avoid cargo pants. Avoid prints on sandals. Students with braces or metal implants for medical purposes need not worry, as this is not an issue. Avoid metal clips or hooks in undergarments. Wear simple clothes and sandals, carry no electronic items, and bring the admit card and necessary documents. Proceed to the exam hall calmly and confidently. Wishing you the best to write the exam in the most excellent way.